How you doing, everybody? Hey, my name's Mecca. If you don't know who I am, or if you don't follow me, nice to meet you. And it's kind of a two-sided story today. Right down there is where. How do you do this? Where is it? Right down there. You see that? It's like what I like to call the Maserati, the Maserati. And I've had that car for a very long time. Me and that car, I put the most miles on that thing. 300 and what you at, girl? 326,000 kilometers. Sorry, Americans, I don't know what that is in miles, but it's a lot. And I just dropped my wife off for an hour and a half massage. She should be coming out pretty quick. And as we were pulling up, there was some steam coming out of the car, and I was like, "Oh no, what's your problem now?" And it looks like there's a leak. Maybe the radiator needs replacing. Yeah, it's an old car, right? Things go wrong. But the coolest thing is this: because I've built an online income and a passive income that gives me a check every single month. I don't have to work for it. I've done the work for it. Don't get me wrong. I've done the work for it, but I get paid every month from Amazon, from that that big billion-dollar company. They send me checks every single month to my bank accounts. And before, the car doing its thing would kind of stress us out, and we'd fight. And you know how it is when you don't have a lot of money. Things are just different. And I don't have a lot of money. That's why I'm driving a Maserati, not an actual Maserati or Maserati. But I do have enough that I no longer have to worry about whatever the car repair bill is going to be. I just called the mechanic, said, "Yo, I'm calling you." He's like, "How you doing?" I'm like, "Well, bro, if I'm calling you, I ain't having the best day. But I ain't having a bad day, I tell you that, because whatever the bill is, we don't have to stress over it." And like I said, we don't have a ton of money, but we have enough that emergencies like this, we don't blink an eye anymore. And I want to do something for you. I want you to be able to have that type of freedom, that type of peace of mind as well. And I got a free book. It's the blueprintbooklet.com. It's a free book. Just cover a couple bucks for the shipping. And it'll show you exactly what I did to create a passive income for myself online using Amazon. And it's step by step. It'll show you exactly what I've done. And, I'm going to give that to you for free. I've already paid for the cost of the book. And this is designed so you can have freedom as well. So when emergencies come up in your life, whether you're single, whether you got a family, whatever the case is, when things come up, you don't have to sweat over it. You can just be like, all right, whatever, let's just go get it fixed and not even think twice about it. We'll probably go out for maybe a nice meal or something tonight. We'll kind of, have some fun. And it was only a year ago that that sitting down there right now would have caused us all sorts of stress and headache, and I probably would have got in trouble and yelled at, because I'm sure it would have been my fault for somehow. You know how it is. But I just wanted to shoot this quick little video here, and there she is. And I want to offer that to you because more people should be out of the 9-to-5 rat race. More people should be able to go do and enjoy what they want from life. So if I can help you do that, take my free book, theblueprintbooklet.com. Fill out your info, and we'll send you a physical copy right away. If you're outside of the States, you can click the international clients, get the ebook version if you want there. And let me know. Let me know how that's impacted you. Let me know that it's made a difference for you, because I don't want to do this journey alone. I want to take as many of you with me as possible. So we're going to go head off to the mechanic, drop this thing off, and I'm sure it's just a matter of time until, hopefully this is the last time I ever see this mechanic.